Welcome to GMC Machine Tools, quality equipment you can trust. Here we have the GMC HPB-7006CNC 70-ton press brake with 2-axis ESA control model 625. This is a Taiwan quality machine and is our premier press brake, designed in the USA. With its rugged steel framework, quality hydraulic and electronic components makes this press brake a great addition to any shop. The ESA 625 offers a vast tooling library. On-screen and offline software programming allows for thousands of tooling programs to be saved. On-the-fly program corrections will save precious production time. The touchscreen control can store thousands of production programs with up to 80 steps per program. Remote CNC factory support is available. The 7006 comes standard with segmented quick-release punch holders, American style, full-length gooseneck punch, 7-way full-length lower Vee Die, and quick-release front sheet supports. Standard safety features include Lntech light curtain system, rear and side safety fences, pedestal and control console mounted e-stops to meet OSHA safety standards. The HPB7006 has a 24-inch back gauge, 10-inch throat depth, and is backed by a 1-year parts-only warranty. GMC has been in business for over 20 years and have sold thousands of machines that are currently in the production field today. We have a large inventory of machines in stock for quick delivery and also have factory tech support, as well as a full parts department, so you don't have to worry about production downtime. We also have other models available, such as 45-ton, 55-ton, 110-ton, 135-ton, and 175-ton. We also offer an upgraded 2D graphic controller. In addition, we can order custom tooling.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, ironworkers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311, and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.